stalks. The Mafia Wars fight list. Targets beware. Whatever you do, do not hit list him. Born in Sicily, raised in the Bronx, and now residing in Lower East Manhattan.
Shut up,
This
you.
Mafia superhero defends truth, justice, and the right to beat you down. He's a lean, mean, four-legged, flying, wheel-whacking machine. Yes, that's Scrappy Chihuahua.
I may be tiny, but I am mighty. Yeah.
Not long after arriving in Sicily and learning of his family history, the Scrappy Chihuahua woke up on a bright, warm, sunny morning and enjoyed the fresh air on his luxurious villa balcony.
Falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is a falling down because Dominic the Doberman's big pet illiterate bedwetting blocker had stepped on it. Yeah! Ah, what a beautiful morning. Yeah.
Sasha and Clementine were up early scouring Palermo for intel on the Doberman boss who controlled the territory that rightfully belonged to Scrappy. Their first stop was in a breakfast pub.
Excuse me, we got a message for Don Tirano. Where can I find him?
Hey, go away. I'm eating here.
Well, then let me speed up your process some.
Sasha shoved his snout straight into the food on his plate and held it there for several seconds.
Now, you were saying...
I don't got to tell you nothing, you nosy old witch.
She is not old. Now how you say? Drop Lima.
Sasha, don't you mean spill the beans?
That too.
And that's exactly what he did. He spilled his beans and weenie burrito all over the floor from vomiting in stark fear. Clementine, can you click my link here and send me some ammo to win the boss fight against the Raven?
Now?
Please? I could get some really nice loot if I beat him. Just a quick click.
Oh, for glory's sake. Here. Now don't lose.
Thank you kindly. Sasha, can you click?
Go. Get loot.
Thank you very much. And Granite raced off to collect more ammo from his family.
Now, a little more articulate, please.
You go see Rocco Piccola on Violet Strasburgo. Oh.
And this is for calling her a witch.
An hour later, Ace arrived at Scrappy's luxurious Sicilian villa.
Scrappy, Sasha and Clementine got the skinny on Don Toronto's right paw. What do you want done with him?
Can you fix his car radio so it'll pull in a station KBAM? Nah.
I know somebody that can.
Capper his top mafia wheel dog, huh? Yeah, send him a message. Make him more nervous than his miniature pincher self already is.
Scrappy, can you click my link here and send me some ammo to win the boss fight against the Raven?
Oh, Granite, are you getting suckered by Zynga to waste all your stamina on that scam and spamming all of your friends, huh?
Please? I know I can beat this run.
Well, if anybody can do it, you can do it.
Thanks, Scrappy. Ace?
Hey, clicking your link ain't gonna cost me nothing.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, Scrappy. Radio work sounds like a job for Wonder Weenie.
Oh, Santa Brasquita. Even he's got a cooler entrance than I do.
One of Wonder Weenie's superpowers was to use his crankhead Beanie to tunnel underground from one destination to another. On his subterranean way to underboss Don Rocco Piccola's garage on Via Strasburgo, he used his crankhead Beanie intercom to contact Sasha.
Sasha, I'm on my way to the mini pincher's place now to do some mechanics on his car. Can you and Clementine make sure his bodyguards are unaware that I may be there?
We have, how you say, your spine, Wonder Weenie. Remember, Wheel Dog drives Jaguar, not BMW. Rocco Piccola drives BMW.
You mean you have my back?
That too.
Roger, Sasha. Grazie.
When Ace, Wonder Weenie, arrived and quietly slipped into Rocco Piccola's garage, he got into his top Mafia Wheel Dog's unlocked Jaguar and began his Mafia superhero sabotage.
Let's see. Puppy's dark in here. Need my crankhead pen light. There. That's more like it. Now this wire goes here, in the tuning knob on the radio. And this little timer goes in the line right here. Hocus smokes. My little red X edges. Why the granny had to make this suit out of 100% steel wool? Now, set it for 12 seconds. Solder that wire there. And then this suspicious looking little box goes down under here. Right next to the gas tank. It ain't gonna stay put. Guess I'll have to screw it down,
Meanwhile, Rennet was confused and upset. Hey, where'd the Raven go? I can't find him. I had him half dead and plenty of ammo. Where'd that confounded Zanga put him? And Wonder Weenie finished his work.
There we go. Yeah, this is gonna be a blast. Oh, dog. Now this silly looking suit's bunching up when no one wants it to be bunching up. I'm gonna hate this superhero gig.
And then Ace, Wonder Weenie, quietly slipped out of the garage and returned home to the tunnel he dug.
Clementine, I'm out of here. Let's get her home.
Copy that, Wonder Weenie. Sasha, time to go.
Oh, I was having fun. Can we take these mini Pincher home? He'd make cute speed bag to practice on training gym.
Don't think so, Sugar. We fanned up enough of them flames as it is without adding dog napping to our blame list.
3 hours later, miniature pincher underboss Don Rocco Piccola's top Mafia Wheel Dog decided to go on a late-night hubcap whacking spree at the local soccer stadium.
Hey, yo, I need some music on this radio, huh? Or at least in the morning.
Crank that knob.
This is the bomb.
Rocco Piccola and his preteen daughter, Carlotta Spumani, raced from the house to the garage to see what had happened, and when he found his bodyguards lying unconscious in the driveway, he unleashed his anger on them.
What happened here? Why were you sleeping on the job out here? This is all your fault, you lazy bums. Look at what you did. I'm gonna bite your paws. I'm gonna knock you down the basement stairs. I'm gonna knock you down and take your food. I'm gonna do my business on your beds. Go in the house and get in your kennels. I'll deal with you later. Trash can!
Papa, no! Please don't go trash canning again! Dogga bunga! Whee!
Garbage. Garbage.
Papa, stop! Please, you're embarrassing me again!
Shut up. You never smart at me, you whiny little brat.
I'm sorry, Papa. I'll be quiet now.
Candy bar! And it's still in the wrapper! Orange wrappers are my favorites. Yum!
Tune in next time when Granite says, "Aha! The Raven's back. Now I'm taking you out. Hey! Where's all my ammo I spammed everybody for? What'd you do with it, you jerk? Where's my ammo to fight him with, Zanga?" On the next, the Scrappy Chihuahua podcast.
Wow.